Everyone, it's not supposed to snow in South Carolina, but guess what? We got about 6 or 7 inches here in Anderson, and I think Billy should drive down with a snowplow and plow it all back to New York, to upstate New York. Cooper seems to like it. He was rolling in it and playing in it a little while ago. But the roads are not passable. The town don't know what to do with themselves when it snows around here. Everybody shuts down, schools shut down, business offices shut down. This is a view from my house on the side. And it is a little colder out here too. Cooper, what do you think about the snow? You like it? This is the main road right here. The plow trucks haven't even touched it yet.